A prayer for healing for a friend. Heavenly Lord, you are the great Jehovah, the one who conquers all the world's darkness. I come before you this day asking for your mercy and uncommon blessing in the life of your child. You know the extent to which this health problem is frightening all concerned. Please make a way for complete healing. Please give uncommon knowledge to the doctors and the nurses. Please provide money to pay for the necessary medical care and for the prescriptions that will follow. Please grant the full restoration of your child's health. Breathe life into this situation and restore your child as a blessing to all of us.